All right, when an administrator logs in that has access to the admissions tools, the registration campaigns, they'll see an icon like this here. It says registration campaigns. Most schools only have one registration campaign going, but we can have multiples. And the idea is that each registration campaign is going to have multiple applicants to it. So we can see here are different folks that have submitted an application under this particular program. The way that we publish this is that each campaign has its own URL. So this is something that we share right on the public website where people hit that link. It takes them to a page that asks them to register. So they'll get a window like this where they can set up the account and then begin answering questions. So these questions, of course, are customized based on usually the applications of our customers. So they'd step through, it would ask for information about who they are, if contacts, if emergency contacts and so forth are required, what are there consent forms, they need to acknowledge certain information. We can even do things like program selection, collect a payment, and then they're finished. And at this point, it puts them into that queue where the administrators are able to come in here and look at the detail for the existing applications and accept these, and accepted students roll right into the SIS. So that's a quick overview. Hopefully that starts us in the right direction. Thanks.